I will show you how to preserve fresh tomatoes for a long period of time. I'll wash it first. I will have the tomatoes and clean the center. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Now I need clean and wash jars. I add a clove of garlic to each jar. I add peppercorns. I add mustard seeds. I add coriander. I also arrange tomatoes in jars. Do not fill the jar to the top because the water must cover the tomatoes. And so I fill all the jars. I add a teaspoon of salt to each jar. A tablespoon of vinegar 9%. I fill the jars with water to cover the tomatoes. The jars have a volume of 720 milliliters. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pot. And I arrange the jars inside. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove. I will cover it. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 30 minutes. I pasteurize at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to gradually cool in the water and then store them in a dark place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.